Hello guys, welcome back to SSSDP, and in today's video I am doing my first Lego video, and this video, as you can see what you're looking at, I am doing it on how to make this Lego fire temple. You can also make it as a water temple, and I'm not sure if you can make it as a like a green temple. If you can, let me know. I don't know if you can get all the pieces, but if you can, then let me know, so then you guys can build it. But anyways, the first thing I want to show you guys is how big this actually is. So I've got a minifigure right here, and that is how small it is, big, but yeah, very, so that, I don't know why I just said very, but that is against a figure, and this is size comparison with the polar bear. So, the polar bear isn't that big. I don't know what I'm talking about, but anyways, now I need to take this apart. I'll cut back to once I've taken it apart, so then I can teach you guys how to make this. So yeah. Okay, so I have taken apart the temple, and these are all the pieces you'll need. So you are going to need 2 of this piece. I'm sorry, I don't know what it is, what the brick's called, but if you know, then let me know down in the comments below. Moving on, you will need a 2x4, 1 2x4, 1 4x4, 4 1x3s, plates. Got to mention that they need to be plates. You'll need 2 1x3 tiles, 4 1x2 plates, 5 1x2 tiles, 3 1x2 jumper plates, 1 crystal of the color of what you're building your temple as, the flame pieces or water pieces if you're doing a water temple, and 2 flame pieces, and 2 1x2x5 bits. I'm pretty sure that that's 5, but those are all the pieces you'll need. So let's get straight into actually making this thing and how you do it. So let me just move all these pieces to the side. Okay, so basically you're gonna need to start off by grabbing your 4x4 and your 2x4, trying to think of the names, and you want to just put them on like that, and then you can put that to the side for the moment. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to get your 1x2 plates, 1x3 plates, 1x2 tiles, and that's all you need. And now what you need to do is you need to get the 1x2. Whoa, sliding out of my hands. Put it on like that, and then you want to get 2 of your 1x2s, put them on top of each other, and then put them right up there. So we're starting to make the steps. And then what you want to do is you want to get your last 1x2, put it down there, if I can get it, there. I feel like that I've done something wrong. I'll keep on going as I go, see if I can remember. I've got a bit of a runny nose, so sorry. I figured it out. So you don't actually put... Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did that. Sorry. I'll cut back to when I've figured it, when I've got it out, maybe. Okay, so here we are. Sorry! We have, you want to not put one on there. That was my mistake. You want to put one there. You want to stack two up like that right there. Get this one right here and put it like that. Hopefully you saw that. So it'll be like that. Okay, now you want to get your 1x2 tiles. Just put them on like this. You only want to put 3 of them on, and I'll explain in a second. So then it's like a stair, and then this is meant to be like this. So put them to the side and grab your 4 1x3s and just put 2 on top like that. Get the other 2, put them on top like that, and then you want to just put them on like this, and then you want to get your last 2 1x2 tiles, put them both down so they're like this. Then you want to get your one of your 1x2 jumper plates and have it like that. Then you want to get your crystal or whatever you want to call it, and just put it on like that. And then you can put this to the side for now. Sorry. Okay, so now you want to grab these 2 pieces. These 2 pieces right here, and you want to grab your 1x3 jumper plate tiles, what am I talking about? 1x3 tiles, and just put them on like that. And then you want to grab this bit here and put them on. Just like that. Okay, now you want to get your two, let's see if I can get this right, your 2 1x2x5 bricks. I don't know what to call them. Your 2 1x2 jumper plates and your 2 flame pieces. And what you want to do is put the jumper plates on top, just like so, just like that. And then you want to get your flame pieces and put them on like this. I like to do it so when I put them onto here, that the flames are facing the same way, because that's just what I like to do. I'll put that wrong. But as you can see, the smaller flames are out on the outside. Let me just line this up. Okay, there we go. And so you can see they're symmetrical. And now you're done. So that is how you make your very own fire temple / water temple / green temple. So hope you enjoyed. If you did like the video, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos. And I'll see you next week with another video. Peace. Bye.